Hey everybody, Sam back once again, and I'm very excited to be showing you something new today. This is from OCW, otherwise known as Otherworld Computing, and trust me, these guys are quite literally out of this world, hence the name. And that's no pun, that's just my personal opinion. And as you can see here, it is the fastest, toughest, mini-sized USB-C bus-powered SSD in the universe. That's quite a lot to ring off the tongue, innit? But it's called the Envoy Pro Elektron, and as you can see there, it's a USB Type-C, but it's a Gen 3.2, and it's got a 10 gig per second. Yeah, very, very fast. So I'm just going to show you what you get inside of the box here. If you want to have a read of that stuff, you can do. Jumping onto the other side, well, bam, look at that. Up to twice as fast as other portable SSDs, and trust me, it really is. It's built like a tank, so it's crushproof, it's dustproof, and it's waterproof up to IP67. And you see there, plug and play with Macs, PCs, iPads, Chromebooks, and Android tablets. It also works with Android phones as well. And on the back of it, just a little bit more information for you. But yeah, let's have a look inside the box, shall we? Now I've already used it. Again, I've been using it for a couple of weeks. We also get in here, just a little telling you what you're required for your system requirements, etc. Boom, chuck that off to the side. And here it is. Look at that. Come on. How awesome is that? Eh? It is, I'm telling you, it's literally just a whole piece of aluminium. I was going to say aluminum because I've been watching some videos on stuff. But as you can see on the back of it here, USB 3.2, 10 gig. Happy bloody days, eh? Look at that, look how sleek it is. Huh? It's got like a little light on the front of it, which I'll show you in a second. I will plug it in to show you that lighting up. And I'm also going to do a quick speed test to show you how fast it actually does go. I am very, very impressed by this one. But now let's just take that off to the side. We also get inside the little box. Boom, boom, boom. We get this cable. Now this cable is actually pretty damn cool. And I was like, oh, what's this? What's this little dangly bit? So you get a USB Type-C to Type-C cable inside the box. But as I said before, obviously it does work with the USB Type-A. So instead of actually making you go out and buy another cable, they give you the converter inside the box. Not only that, it's attached to the other side of the USB. Look at that. Huh? So all you do is this side of it plugs into the, I tell you what, let me open up. I've actually not used the cable. I've been using another cable. Alright, so as you can see here, I've actually undone it all. And all you do is you plug the Type-C into the back end of the Type-A, like that, and voila. You've now got a Type-C, Type-A cable. But if you've got a Mac or something and you don't have one of these anymore, which a lot of Macs don't, a lot of the newer ones, voila, Type-C to Type-C. Happy days, right? Yeah. Alright, so what I'm going to do, I'm actually just going to plug it into the actual computer, and we're going to go to my Mac screen. I'm going to do a speed test just to show you how fast this actual bad boy is. Trust me, you're going to be very, very impressed. And just to show you really quickly, this is the actual LED I spoke about at the beginning. So I've got a very short cable, so I can't bring it a little bit closer, but as you can see there is the actual blue LED. That now confirms it's now connected, it's plugged in, now it's working with my Mac. So let's go to the Mac and let's have a quick look at how fast this bad boy is. Alright, so here we are on the iMac. Now this is using the disk speed test by Blackmagic Design. It's kind of like a standardized test that a lot of people use just to kind of see how fast the actual read and write speed is of the drive, especially on a Mac. So, ready for this? We're going to do a 1 GB test first. You see here. We're going to select the target drive, which is my OCW drive here. Click open. And we'll start the test. And as you can see, 933 straight off the bat. That's the write speed. We've then got the read speed of 908, which, yep, 905 now. 937 as a write speed. That is pretty damn impressive. Now, what I actually do, I actually use this drive as my daily driver. I use this to export all my files. So once I've done the edit on the computer, I export the file directly to the drive. So if anything goes wrong, I've always got that file straight away to upload. And again, I use this every single day I do a video. And that's how much I trust this drive and how fast it is it can deal with everything I throw at it. So what you're going to do is going to stop this test, and we are going to do a 5 GB stress test, and we'll see how it does on this one, shall we? Now see, we're getting to 932 as the max. Can we get, yep, 932.7, and the read speed just under 900. That's bloody impressive, or I believe it's impressive. Again, we're not using Thunderbolt, we're not using any USB Type 4. This is just a standard USB 3.2 or Type C 3.2. Yeah, bonkers, absolutely bonkers. I love this drive. Anyway, that's the speed test. What do you reckon? Look at that. I mean, if you look at the actual what it can do out of the speed test here, the only thing it couldn't potentially do would be 10-bit YUV 422, which would be these 4K 1560. That's pretty damn high end. Let's be honest with you. Again, I don't use this. Pretty much for me, I'm like here, you know, in this kind of range. So yeah, this, to say it can do all this, is absolutely insane for an external drive as to how big it is as well. Yeah. Anyway, let's wrap this video up and see you soon. So as you can see by the speeds, this is one hell of a drive. Let's be honest, it looks absolutely fantastic. It performs incredible. And for me, I've fallen in love with OCW products. This is the first product I've ever used from them. And if the products are half as good as this going forward, trust me, you're going to be seeing a hell of a lot more from OCW from myself. Looks so nice as well, doesn't it? Nice little block of aluminium. It's fabulous. Anyway, that's it. I want to say thank you for watching the video. If you've got any questions with regards to this or anything else, you know what to do by now. Hit me up in a comment down below. Don't forget to smash the like button. Go on, smash, smash, smash. You know you want to. And go on, subscribe. It's free. Anyway, people, I want to say thank you for watching, and you'll see me. Well, okay, you won't see me, but you'll see these little puppies and hear this voice in my next one. Cheers, everyone.